Video from men's bathroom, Acapulco restaurant, 152 Pleasentville Road. We got the men's room toilet pulled, trying to find out why they keep having issues. So I'm doing a video here, and we have a little lip there, a belly there at 43 feet. Cleaned it up a little bit. There looks like a T. Water runs back the other way a hair, which could be happening with toilet paper. And then some will go the right way, some will go the wrong way, and then it can build up. When we came in here, that's where it was clogged. As you can see, the water's running the wrong way. I have water running from this toilet. Should be going down that way, half's going the other way. So we're pulling back in the line. The ladies' bathroom ties down outside. They never have an issue. Ties way closer to the septic tank, so it never affects the ladies' bathroom. So we're going to get into another belly here. I guess a repair was done at one time from cast to PVC. Also holding. Slows the flush down from the men's bathroom. The toilet paper. Now we're kind of out of the belly. The rest of it looks pretty good. We're going to go back in. Got water running. Wipe the camera off. Belly's going to start where it transitions to PVC. Out of the belly. There's going to be that T. Some of the water is flowing the wrong way. I'll shut the water down in a minute. There's your T. Let's get back to out of the belly. Okay. Let's shut this water down and wait a minute. And we're going to see what happens. Really, that water should not be staying there.
It's just water, no paper towel, no roll paper. No.
Correct. Right. Now, once you throw the toilet back in the equation, you know what you got. A bunch of toilet paper. It's going to be sitting in there with it. See how it's not draining out? And I can tell you exactly where that's at. Now, there is a connection or something right there. Or a hole or something. And I know exactly where that's at. So, let's pull back. See how it's holding? This is, yep, it's not going to go away. There's the T that I don't like, that half will come up that way, When I came in here, we were blocked at the T. Because I found it exactly with my camera. Because everything slows down. Draining down very slow. So let's see.
So if there is a little bit of a traffic and toilet paper going down.
True. Yes.
Okay.
So we're going to go back.
Oh, wow.
That's draining slow. That's okay. We're going to see how this other belly is. And I haven't even got to the part where I want to recommend something, depending after I set that, what I see that do. Now, okay, the camera's about a 1 inch head, but still, you're holding a lot of water there. Probably half the pipe right there. Well, almost full pipe right there. See that? It's all on the sinks, all on the connections. Now we're going to get out of it. That is your problem. So what I'm going to do is just hit that little spot again. I'm going to reset that toilet. I did a video so your husband can see it.
Awesome.
And I'll send it to him.
And then some.
Alright, this concludes the video.